Yes, my viewers, I go and look some bait to go up on the pond side, but boy, the bait them hard to find. No bait in a place. Bait them, boy, I tell you, bait them busy, them gone, the hurt dry. Can't find no bait, my viewers. No bait, no bait, no bait, no bait, no bait. The bait them gone, see they hunger them house left. Yeah? Soon find bait still. Go up on the pond side, you know? You see them big? Love us, yes!
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hurt.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Whoa! What up, man? That is a shark. Me stop, man. Whoa. Wrong, you comfortable up yourself, yeah, man. Yes, yes. Wow. Not there. And drop off. I mean. Wow. Yo. I know the boss catch fish, you know. Lord, John, boss drinking coconut water and ready. And he done all the floater sink. Yeah, man. I mean, man, he can't fry, man. Blows not, my lord. Yeah. Yeah, man. The man is not fisherman, the man is a fisher guy. Sight? Yeah. Yes, I am. You can't catch quark, you catch in short. You can't catch fish, catch coconut. See? See? What that? Watch him a spin it there. Watch him a spin the line there. did pluck him out. Ah, the one they look like a shark. Go near the hole. Yeah. My God. Cause down there, then lengthy down there. No? Yes. This guy is a fisher guy, you know. He's not a fisherman, he's a fisher guy. Yeah. Alright? Yeah. Catch a shark a while ago. See? Yeah. See ripe up, you know. See? Sink it now. Sink it, fish. Sink it. Come on, friend. Gone with you now. Put a piece of fried dumpling pan yoke. Put a piece of fried dumpling pan yoke. Yeah, chain for you, Olympic. Boss, a chain for the Olympic. Oh, Rasta chain for the Olympic. Fish run out of water. You mean run out of the water pan him foot? Yeah. Eh. So I just a little on your hand when you put in the water. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is one of the shark. This is one of the whale. Put the oil, put the frying pan on the fire there. Like a fry this one, alright? Yeah. Like a fry him. Yes, Duval, yes. No, say this one can fry. You call that one a boss? Look so, you know. Yeah. That's good. Yes, sir. Fishers of men. Fisher guys.
Look, come here, son.
No, we can come back over this side, you know.
Yeah.
Love us. Yes. Sure. Yo, 19. Yeah, man, that's look. You see that?
Piece, yeah, man, on, you know.
Yeah, man. You see how big? 300 pounds. Alright. Yeah. What you now? Yeah, man, I'm going to change this spot on the grass here, catch you, brother. Alright, that's it. Watch him now. Watch him. I say lake dry, I call it sleep. Watch it. I'm gonna run some with it. Take him out. Aye, lalai. Yeah, man. I want to get right. Aye. Try no. A 3 me depend, 3 dozen me depend, man. Don't worry yourself. You want a dozen out of my one? No, sir, me not take a pan on video, man. I fish them, I take pan video. Yeah, man, that can skill. What you talking about? Yeah, yeah. Not there. Why book say fish them go walk out today now type pan? Yeah, man. Wait, how can I fish that? Look if I bait one set there. I must fix the bait one fix. I keep my grab on pan it so often.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, not too bad. It's not too bad.
Run him out, man.
It's not too bad. So, not too bad. That shaky bait pan look like he bait done. I said, bully throw dirt in that pan and take out the bait them. That's how you go on. Yeah. He thinks they have crab in a bag. 2 big stone.
That's what they do back then, back over so 2 hard nights. And the man that check the bag, the guy that easily kind of man, take out the back to some big stone.
So wait now. So I went out sun lunch and put on bullfrog in my bag. Can you afraid of bullfrog, you know? Yes. Yes. What you mean, man? Yeah, man. 3 pound that. I tell you, school over, brother, and then I go home. Bango no. Yes. Yes.
But the way they run, and he can't back.
Right, in week. Yeah, man, can go on back, go grow. What do you mean? Yes, I. Come on, Rasta, go on, man. Jump something big, no, man. Want something to fry, man. Fire, I'm going to make up here now, man. I run out to my use, man. No, it's not. You go, someone. Chorati. A miracle catcher. Look like they had the longer wheel knife on. How are you, say? And the light? Yeah, man, I read that. Yes, because your job sitting. And what they go on for with nothing. I wonder if you have garlic with you. You have garlic with you? Oh, you don't know garlic? Ah, dude. Well, I mean, I tell you. Come on, Duval, man. Time to take up something like that, you know, man. Because if you get something like that, you're gone, you know. Oh, God. You're easy, you know. I say, boss, and broke and what? At the time, the boss want fish for you up in hand.